Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 342 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Quiet Strength, a moment to recognize the resilience inside you, even when you feel tired or unsure. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. You don't have to feel powerful to have strength. Some strength is subtle, steady, quiet, and gentle. Let your breath steady your body and let your mind soften its edges. Now, say to yourself, there is strength in me. I don't need to force it. And I can trust what carries me. Notice how calm and strength can coexist, how small breaths can support you, and how presence itself can be power. When you're ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and return to your day with this quiet strength. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.